Hello friends, welcome to Online Technique. Dear friends, today I have come to you with a short video. In this video, I am going to show you how to bring back search box on the taskbar in Windows 10 or how to show and hide search box on the taskbar in Windows 10 because a lot of times we lost it while working on the computer. As a result, we can't bring it back even after trying a lot. So, if you want to bring it back, watch the video to the end without skipping. Dear friends, before starting the main topic, I have a small request to you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel because as soon as I upload a new video, you will get a notification. Let's get started. Dear friends, see, my PC doesn't have a search icon on the taskbar. If it doesn't exist on the taskbar, then we can't search anything on PC. So, to bring it back, first click right button of the mouse on the taskbar. Then go to the top of the window and put the mouse pointer on the search option. Then go to the right side and see there are three options. Dear friends, these options can show left or right side. Now click on the show search icon. Now I have clicked on show search icon. Now go to the left side corner on the taskbar and see a search icon has added on the taskbar. Now click right button of the mouse on the taskbar again. Then put the mouse pointer on the search option. After that, go to the right side and click on show search box. Dear friends, see the search box has been added on the taskbar. Dear friends, if you want to hide search box from the taskbar, click right button of the mouse on the taskbar again. Then put the mouse pointer on the search option. Then go to the left side and click on hidden option. Now I have clicked on hidden option. Dear friends, see the search box has been disappeared from the taskbar. Dear friends, in this way you can bring back search box on the taskbar again. So my dear friends, if you subscribe my channel, thank you so much. Or if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe now. Thank you very much for watching the video to the end. May God bless you. See you again. Bye.